Hello friends, my name is Siddharth Joshi, Assistant Professor LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. Today's topic is appendectomy. It is very important topic for final year students because it is mostly and frequently asked in final year university exam for PTMS paper. Plus, sometimes it may ask in MPT rehab paper also. And this video is very important for clinical practitioner also because whosoever physiotherapists are working with hospitals, they are supposed to know what is appendectomy, what are the causes, what are the clinical features, how it recover, and what is the physiotherapy management. Because when you know whole condition bit deep, you can easily handle this condition because when you hold or when you stop the causes, automatically condition will cure immediately. It is applicable for all the condition. Maybe in this condition it may be applicable very less also, but whenever you take any condition, try to go with causes. Once you relieve the cause, once you cure the cause, once you achieve the perfect part of the root of the cause, you can easily available to give a perfect treatment. So let's start today's topic, appendectomy, without any wasting the time. So appendectomy, first you should know what is appendectomy. So definition, always whenever you write in the paper, go with the sequence, definition, clinical features, pathophysiology, like a perfect sequence. It's not like that suddenly you write physiotherapy management, suddenly you write clinical features. It doesn't look good and it will not give marks. Definitely it is right, but it is not give a perfect marks. Perfect presentation gives a perfect marks. So let's start with definition. An appendectomy is the surgical removal of the appendix. Removal of the appendix. C. Indication. Acute appendicitis. ITS मतलब inflammation. Recurrent appendicitis. An interval appendectomy after drainage of abscess or in epicendial mass. Keratinoid tumor at the hip less than 2 centimeter. Mucocul of the appendix, appendicular graft, that is illegal conduct. Okay, so these are the indications. Now types, open or laparoscopic. In laparoscopy, mostly layman term they are using like durbin thi operation karyu. It is like laparoscopic. So types are open types or laparoscopic type. Let's see another type, open, how it occur and what is the procedure. Pre-op preparation, treatment, obviously urine analysis, exclude infections, full blood count, leukocytosis, ultrasound scan, non-compressible diameter greater than 6 millimeter, pass urethral catheter, and IV antibiotics. Obviously, IV antibiotics you are supposed to start because there are chances of infection. So for prevention, and I always say is that prevention is better than cure. So once you start with the antibiotics, automatically you will give a good result, and prevention is also there. Incision, how it start the incision, it is under surgeon part, but we should know because we are giving physiotherapy management of that incision. See, this is under surgery part. I definitely agree with this is the pure condition of medical surgeon, MS surgeon, general surgeon, and we respect that. But if we know this for a knowledge, it will very beneficial in physiotherapy management because when you know incision, which part you are going to treatment, which tens given, which IFT, you should know. Okay, so incision, the incision is placed at the point of maximum tenderness. Tenderness means to touch the pain, to touch the pain. McBurins or gridiron incision, that is, this is the name of incision. Why we uh, want to learn or why we want to have knowledge about this, because sometime when you practice in private practice in surgical hospital or any multi-specialty hospital, they written there right gridiron incision, so that time you confused what is gridiron incision. So that time if you have knowledge, immediately you will get the answer. Lens, Rutherford Morrison muscle cutting, lower midline, periosteosis and pelvic appendix, and right paramedium. So this is the perfect way to do incision, and you should know. Post-op management. In uncomplicated cases, oral fluid are started 12 hours. This is the simple treatment, the simple guideline of the any general surgery patient or any normal patient. In complicated IV fluid, IV antibiotics, and nothing by mouth with NG tube until bowel recommences and temperature subside. Stitch is removed in 7 to 10 days. See, you should know 7 how, because when you do private visit, they always ask when stitch will remove. So you are supposed to have knowledge. That time you can see in the file also, because surgeon write down that this day stitch will remove. But if suddenly ask and if your answer is totally wrong, you don't have knowledge, it will give very bad impression to your patient. Now physiotherapy management. So there are post-op complication and we are supposed to that prevent. So first is wound infection. So proper dressing, we are not supposed to do dressing, we are just observer. Then intra-abdominal abscess may be occur, hemorrhage may be occur, respiratory infection. So prevent respiratory complication with the breathing exercise. Respiratory infection, generalized peritonitis, UTI, pyoemia, venous thrombosis, and embolism in ileus. In this physiotherapy manager, how it occurs? So it will plan like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7. So in the first 1 or 2 days, you just give a respiratory exercise, just give breathing exercise, active movements of upper limb and lower limb, but don't move hip joint. Okay. Then in the second and third day, you do all the bed mobility exercises, sitting in the position, semi-Fowler's position. Then bed activities means circulating the round, mobilization. Mobilization is not like our Mulligan or Maitland mobilization. It is like move around to the bed, walking, how to cough during or after operation, that also we are supposed to treatment. So our first and most motto is to prevent the complication, to prevent the respiratory complication, to prevent the circulatory complication, to prevent the muscular complication. All the system we are supposed to prevent. Okay, thank you.